njalo uNkulunkulu ebiza umuntu usuke bona ukukhala kwabantu. Kwake kwakhala abantu eGibhithe kwabiza umuntu ePalace. Akakhali lo sePalace. Lo sePalace uenjoya okubizwa ngendodakazi kaFaro. Unama-benefits asebukhosini, une-inheritance estable emhlalele. Kodwa wathi wahamba Mose, ngizwile ukukhala hayi kwakho kodwa kwabantu bami, ngibonile ukuhlupheka hayi kwakho kodwa kwabantu bami. So God calls a person not for himself, for those that are crying, for those who are perishing, for those who are dying in sin, for those who are dying in the lack of purpose, for those who are missing the walk with God, for those who are disconnected from the plan of God, for those who are crying in the wilderness. And God will call a man, God will equip a man, God will anoint a man. Bezothi uma ubona uMose ungabona umuntu, ubona ukuphendula komkhulu wakho. When you fight your pastor, you are fighting the answers of your prayers. When you support your pastor, you are supporting the answers of your prayers. Because Shamaya, now indoda yasethi umama umpostoli uPaul, uTuPaul, there is a grace in me for your benefit. Awusuka madoda, uthi there is a grace in me for your benefit. The grace in me is not for my benefit. The grace in me is for your. Ngikenzela umuntu ekhuluma istatement esibhekayo ku Facebook. Umuntu nje odumile ngiyabheda le ndoda inegama elikhulu kangaka. Ithi le ndoda, a pastor who is not rich cannot make you rich. I say, what a stupid analogy and statement, because you are not anointed for yourself. You are not a gift to yourself. You are not empowered for yourself. You are anointed for people that God has called you for. He can give you things that others I forget. He can give you things that others I do because uGobo olubuye akulona lokuphakamisa yena. uGobo olubuye olophakamisa laba bizelwe bona. That's why Apostle Paul says there is a grace in me for your benefit. If you support me, you are supporting the grace for your benefit. If you empower me,